Hi, I'm Eduardo and this is the JavaScript Haunted House. You did it! You were very brave and smart and you made it to the last room of the JavaScript Haunted House. Here you'll find your flash drive, but before you do, there's one last thing I want to tell you. So far, we've learned a lot about JavaScript. We created statements, defined variables, functions, conditions, and objects. The most important thing is that we understood the heart of JavaScript. That's the first and most important step to become a successful JavaScript developer. As you know, we use JavaScript to give behavior to web pages, but you probably have noticed that a lot of web pages have incredible effects such as lightbox for pictures and videos, menus with multiple effects, or even moving elements. You may be asking yourself, how can I do this? Well, most of these effects are created with the help of external libraries, which make the development of more complex effects easier. Now that you understand how JavaScript works, you can go ahead and start using libraries without fear of the unknown. These libraries are also called frameworks and help us implement these and other features in an easy and fast way. Some people say that it's better to start learning frameworks, even not knowing how JavaScript works. I tried before and it doesn't work. I can guarantee you that the best way is to start by learning pure JavaScript, the way you just did. Now, it will be easier for you to learn any JavaScript framework because you understand how the base language works. The next step is to learn and use frameworks that encapsulate complex code in simple functions and provide you a reduction of code while making our lives easier. After using frameworks to make programming easier, you should still learn how to improve the code, applying development standards to organize the code and make maintenance and implementation of new tasks easier. There are dozens of frameworks developed with JS. Frameworks like jQuery, MooTools, and Dojo are used to minimize the number of code lines while doing more. They provide several methods that make manipulation of elements easier, more elegant, and more powerful. Others, like Angular, Backbone, and Ember, organize our code in order to put each piece of code in its place according to their responsibilities. This way, we can make the expansion of the project as well as maintenance easier. Okay, but where do I begin? I would say jQuery is the best choice. jQuery has a great documentation and a great community. It's compatible with different browsers. It is lightweight, with only 32 kilobytes minified. And the biggest reason, because it's very easy to learn. Okay, now you know which way to go next. Are you seeing that chest? I think that's where your flash drive is. Click on it, retrieve its content, you deserve it.